Hello students, today I will solve exam questions on successive differentiation. Let us solve the question number 2 of 2018 summer. The question is, if y is equal to a sin 2x plus b cos 2x, then show that d square y by dx square plus 4y equal to 0. Now the proof is, given that y is equal to a sin 2x plus b cos 2x, y equal to a sin 2x plus b cos 2x. Now differentiating both sides, dy by dx is equal to d over dx of a sin 2x plus b cos 2x. So this is equal to separately differentiating d over dx of a sin 2x plus d over dx of b cos 2x. So taking the constant term outside, a d over dx of sin 2x plus b d over dx of cos 2x. So this is equal to a into derivative of sin x with respect to x is cos x. Here derivative of sin 2x with respect to x. To get this, we differentiate derivative of sin 2x with respect to 2x into derivative of 2x with respect to x plus b into derivative of cos 2x with respect to 2x into derivative of 2x with respect to x. So this is equal to a into cos 2x into 2 plus b into derivative of cos x with respect to x minus sin x. So applying this, minus sin 2x into 2 as derivative of sin x with respect to x is equal to cos x and derivative of cos x with respect to x is equal to minus sin x. So this is equal to 2a cos 2x minus 2b sin 2x. Then differentiating dy by dx with respect to x again. So d square y by dx square is equal to d over dx of dy by dx. So this is equal to d over dx of 2a cos 2x minus 2b sin 2x. This is the value of dy by dx. Now separately differentiating, taking constant outside, derivative over d over dx into cos 2x minus 2b d over dx of sin 2x. So this is equal to 2a into derivative of cos 2x with respect to 2x into derivative of 2x with respect to x minus 2b into derivative of sin 2x with respect to 2x into derivative of 2x with respect to x. So this is equal to 2a into minus sin 2x into 2 minus 2b into cos 2x into 2. So this is equal to 4a minus 4a sin 2x minus 4b minus 4b cos 2x. Now LHS equal to d square y by dx square plus 4y is equal to minus 4a sin 2x minus 4b cos 2x plus 4 into y is a sin 2x plus b cos 2x. So this is equal to minus 4a sin 2x minus 4b cos 2x plus 4a sin 2x plus 4b cos 2x. So plus minus 4a sin 2x plus 4a sin 2x cancel plus 4b cos 2x minus 4b cos 2x cancel. So this is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS, as LHS equal to RHS, as LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So thank you for watching this video. Next class I will solve the another question number 3.